In this video, I'm going to show you how to look inside a design to see what's going on in there. So here's a structural design that we did last week for belt worn, and that's the test bench. Here's the design, and so it's got an AND gate and an inverter in it. So you can see down here we've got these connections, and we can simulate and get the inputs and the outputs, but we can't see N2 and N1 in case something's hooked up wrong or something's not working. So by default we don't see these signals. So if you go to a RTL level simulation, then, which is what's loaded up into ModelSim right now, you can see by default you see the inputs and the outputs only. If you go over to the instance window, the sim, and click on I1, you can see all of the signals within I1. In particular, N1 and N2 are here. So if I take and I either right click and say add wave, or I can just drag them over to the wave window, you can see what they are, and you can see that as it did the simulation it wasn't paying attention to them. So we have to reset and rerun the simulation. So if we go to restart, simulate restart, and simulate run all, you see that will rerun those. And of course you can do these on the command line as well, so you can just type restart -F and run -all, or you can use the menus, either one. And what it's done is it has added these new signals, N1 and N2. So if the output is wrong, now you can trace that backwards through your design and see what's hooked up wrong or what's not working properly. So you can use this little tree here to look inside each thing. So if I wanted to look inside my AND gate, for example, I could get the inputs and the outputs to the AND gate and see if that was working properly. Or my inverter, I could look inside. So you can look at every level of your hierarchy, or you can look at the very top level. So that's one of the really powerful things about ModelSim that lets you do.